Okay. Now, अभी हमने जो बात की, जो जो भी चीजें अभी हमने की हैं पिछले सेगमेंट में, दे आर लाइक जनरल थिंग्स कि हम कि अपनी फिजियोलॉजी को चेंज करके हम अपनी स्टेट को, अपनी कैफियत को हम तब्दील कर रहे हैं. लेट्स सपोज you want to get into a state that you consider as your best state, not just a good state, but the best state for you. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि हम सुबह उठे एंड मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, now you're feeling at your best. या you are in that state जिसको कभी ख्याल आता है, यार काश हर रोज वैसा ही होता है, काश हर रोज मैं वैसे ही परफॉर्म कर सकता या कर सकती. वो जो काश वाली जो स्टेट होती है, okay? If you think about that state, what is that state like for you? If you think about that state. So I want you to recall a time in your past, a time when you were experiencing that, you being at your best. And now there can be dozens of times, of course, in your life. I want you to pick one. A time when you were at your best. Now, notice something. Okay. Change back. Okay. So जब हम change करते हैं, when I say change back, this is what we call a pattern interrupt in NLP. Okay. Because we want to be able to access that state of resourcefulness, of being at the best at will. And in order to understand, to access it, we need to understand what we are doing inside our head and inside our body in order to produce that state. यानी अभी तक हमारे साथ ऐसा होता रहा है कि जब हमारी वो कोई स्टेट हम हुई, when we were performing at our best, we thought कि something has happened to us because of which we are in that. But what I am saying is कि whatever is happening, however we are experiencing that state, there is something we are doing inside our heads and in our bodies to experience whatever we are experiencing. Okay, वो जो state of being at our best, वो जो हमें experience हो रही है, it is happening because हमने कुछ अपने अंदर अपने साथ किया है. So वो जो चीज हमने की है, जब हम उस स्टेट में होते हैं, हम उसको deliberately, consciously खुद से access करना चाह रहे हैं. Okay? So this time I'm going to ask you to think about that, a war time when you were feeling at your best, just you were feeling at the top of the world. I want you to notice when you think about that, instantly what you do with your eyes. Okay. So I want you to think about the time when you were at your best. Recall that time, when you were at your best. And when you do that, notice where do your eyes go. Now, कुछ लोगों के लिए when they think of this, their eyes will go in this direction. For some, it will in this direction. कुछ की ऊपर जाएंगी, कुछ की नीचे जाएंगी. It's different for everyone. यहाँ पर right और wrong नहीं होता. यहाँ सही और गलत की बात नहीं है. आप जिस तरह से उस चीज को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं, वो आपका तरीका है. मैं जिस तरह से एक्सेस करूंगा, वो मेरा तरीका. Okay? ना मेरा तरीका आपके तरीके से बेहतर है, ना आपका तरीका मेरे तरीके से कमतर है. आपका तरीका होगा, मेरा तरीका या किसी भी दूसरे शख्स का तरीका उसका हो. So इसलिए जब हम इन चीजों को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं, तो अगर जहन में ये सवाल है, पता नहीं ये सही है गलत, इसमें यहाँ सही गलत का कोई सवाल नहीं है. ओके, सो वंस अगेन, think of a time when you were at your best and notice what happens with your eyes. Where do your eyes go? Just notice where your eyes go. Instantly आपकी आंखें कहाँ जाती हैं? Because आपकी आंखें जिस सिम्त में जा रही हैं, ये वो सिम्त है जहां से आपका ब्रेन, आपका नर्वस सिस्टम, आपकी न्यूरोलॉजी, वो कनेक्शंस आपके अंदर बिल्ड कर रहा है, जिनके जरिए आपके अंदर वो कैफियत पैदा होती है. सो जस्ट नोटिस वेयर योर आइज गो. So I see a comment. Nabila says widespread, perfectly okay. So Farah says eyes go up, perfectly okay. Okay. Now I want you to do this. Everyone else. Salman says upwards, great. And notice it will be different for different people. And even though it's different, I want you to try something without making much of a change in your physiology. Just move your eyes in that direction deliberately. So it's like, you know what you can do? Imagine some kind of, a picture of someone you love in that location. Okay. Or some kind of symbol for you, doesn't matter. Okay, in that location. So you just move your eyes in that direction. It's up, ऊपर जा रही हैं तो ऊपर, राइट पे जा रही हैं, राइट पे, जिधर भी जा रही हैं, सामने जा रही हैं, इसलिए just do that. Okay, without making much changes in your physiology. Okay, and move your eyes in that direction wherever your eyes are going naturally. And notice what happens when you do that. Observe and notice internally आप क्या करें. Even अगर आप इस वक्त recording देख रहे हैं, आप live session में थे, अब आप recording इसको देख रहे हैं, repeat कर रहे हैं, you can still do that. और अगर आप पहली बार कर रहे हैं, you are just watching it recording, आप live session attend नहीं कर सके थे for whatever reason, or you have watched just the recording and you're doing it, go ahead and do it. Experience it. Okay, so Nabila says, I feel